Okay, hatch chili peppers. We're going to make a chili today, a white tuna chili, but we're also going to make it with hatch chilies. Now what we're going to do is we're going to roast the peppers and then we're going to prep them. Now my tip for you, when you see these or any peppers or anything that's seasonal, especially peppers, go ahead, buy them, roast them, vacuum seal them and freeze them, and then you got hatch chilies all year round. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this on the drum, on the BPS drum. We're going to roast everything at 275. Okay, kids, we got the Twin Eagles fired up to almost high. We've got some hatch peppers. We're going to put them on the grill. We're going to cover the grill. About 5 minutes, we're going to turn them, maybe 3 minutes. We'll turn them, and we'll keep turning them until they're nice and evenly charred and soft. Hatch chili. Woo! It's great here. You can freeze them, use them later. We'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, let's see what they look like. It's only been about 3 minutes. Oh my, look at that. That's exactly what we want to see. So another 3 minutes, and we'll put them away. And we'll get ready to freeze some and dice some of them up. It's hatch chili time at Big Papa's Parlor. So we're going to start it. We're going to dice one onion fine. We're going to take those 4 hatch chilies that we've roasted. We're going to get rid of the seeds. We're going to dice it up fine. Then we're going to take 2 fresh jalapenos and we're going to dice them up. We're going to take this cast iron pot, get some avocado oil, just coat the bottom. Then we're going to put about 2 jalapenos, diced fine. I'm going to save some for garnish, okay? 3 hatch chilies that we've smoked and roasted. Sweet onion, tablespoon of cumin, 2 spoons of coriander, splash of Little Louis, a dash of Big Papa's Hallelujah seasoned garlic salt. We're going to stir it up and then move it out to the smoker. Mix it up. I might give it just another splash of avocado oil. We're going to put it on the drum uncovered. We're going to stir it occasionally, and when they're nice and translucent, the onions, I'm going to bring it in and we'll make some chili. Okay, let's put it on. We're going to put the onions and peppers, cumin, cardamom, Little Louis, and Hallelujah. Put it right in the center. Okay, it's been about 12 minutes. Let's open it up, give it a stir. Oh, I think it's nice. We're ready to build our chili from here. We'll see you back in the kitchen. This is so good. The jalapenos, the onions, the cumin, the coriander, the Little Louis, seasoned garlic salt with black pepper, and then a seasoned jalapeno salt with the Hallelujah. So now, we're going to put a lot in this pan. We start by putting the white kidney beans in. Now normally, I drain these. I'm not going to for this because I want it as a thickener. Okay, it's a lot of beans, but it's turkey chili. Okay, we're going to add the turkey. Now shred it, don't cube it. It ends up tasting a lot better and feels more crafty. So now I want to get some of the cattle broth here. Classic bone broth chicken. Should give it a really rich flavor. We're trying to bring it to a boil and then cover it on the drum. Also get some smoke. We got smoke on the vegetables when we did it. Little secret coming up, and you just won't believe this little subtlety. A little half a lime juice. So now I'm gonna take the juice of half a lime because I just want to kick it up and I want that little spark to blend with the peppers. All right, so I will see you out by the cooker. I will see you out by the cooker. Okay, let's go get them. Here we are. We're going to the BPS drum. We got it at 275. We're putting it in, and we'll check it about every 10 minutes. Take a look at this beauty. We're going to cover it. We're cooking at 275. Should take about 30 minutes. We'll check it about every 15. Adios. Okay. About 25 minutes is all. Drum at 275. I think this is going to be really a spectacular recipe. Let's bring her in and doll her up. Okay, look at this beautiful turkey chili. Oh, I'm happy. Let me stir it up. Now, sometimes with this, you see it's a little thin still. So what I'm going to do is I put butter and flour and create a roux, R-O-U-X. Here we go. Let's kind of feather this roux in there. Kind of thicken it up a little bit. Look at that. Crafty, Papa. That looks just about perfect, right, kids? Okay. Just stir it up. As the chief cook, I get to taste it. Absolutely delicious. But what it needs, a little sodium, and a little kick, and some citrus. Hallelujah lime, here we go. Just a little surface blitzer. Okay. Well, let's serve this up, and we're going to serve it with some crema, some avocado wedges, some lime wedges, and some jalapenos. Okay, kids, we'll bowl it up and go for it. I hope you like it. That's all from Papa today. Thank you.